Hey there, this is Kristen with KristenFitness.com, and today I want to show you a really quick exercise that you can do that will help alleviate your low back pain. Okay, back pain is terrible because it just takes over your life, right? And it's really hard to work and concentrate when your low back is just burning with pain all day long. So I want you to do this exercise, and it's really quick and easy. You can do it at your desk. At first, I want you to understand why I am not going to have you do an exercise with the low back. I'm actually going to have you do an exercise with your, what we call your thoracic spine or your upper back. And the reason is because it's the opposing joint of the low back. Now, the reason that you want to target the opposing joint of what's hurting you sometimes is because a lot of times, like, let's say if you have a bruise on your arm, would you continue to rub and hit that part of your arm? Probably not, right? You would probably leave it alone so it could heal. Well, sometimes, when certain parts of our body hurt and we start to move them, it actually feels more sore and it can cause more damage than good, because sometimes what you have to do is just leave that body part alone. So the way to get around that is by moving the opposing joint of the body part that hurts, because the body parts that fire together are wired together. So if you can think about it like this, your body kind of works in an X formation. You've got your right arm working with your left leg, your left arm working with your right leg, so you're not walking around like a soldier like this all day. Well, I guess you can't see my legs in this video because it's real quick, but anyways, you get what I'm saying. So anyway, what we're going to do, and here's what I want you to do. I want you to wrap your hands around your waist, okay? And you're going to feel the bottom of your rib cage, okay? Then I want you to run your fingers to your vertebrae, okay? So your spine, and you're going to feel it's literally like right at the bottom of your rib cage. You're going to feel where your spine begins. That's about where your upper back starts, okay? Then I want you to reach behind your back with the opposite arm. You're going to feel a bump on your cervical spine, okay? So just below that is where your upper back ends, okay? So that bump is on your cervical spine or your neck, okay? Right before that is where the upper back ends. So if you can kind of, reach back and rub it around a little bit, that's exactly the area that we're going to be activating. That is the opposing joints of your lower back. All right, so I'm going to teach you an exercise that's going to help with your low back pain, and I want you to know that I did get this exercise from a spectacular company called Z Health Performance Solutions. They changed my life and really helped me alleviate neck pain I was having for 7 years, and this is one of the exercises I learned from them. So what you'll do is, it's easy to do. You can do it right at your desk. So you're going to sit up really tall, and I'm just going to move the screen down a little so you can see me. You're going to sit up really tall like this, okay? So you want to sit up as tall as you can, and what I want you to do is not arch your low back this way. You want to actually tuck that pelvis a little bit underneath you as you're sitting there. You're going to put your hand at your chest like this, and then without tensing your shoulders up, you're going to curve your body over your hands, okay? I want you to relax the shoulders as much as you can, and if you're having trouble relaxing them, then I want you to tense them up as much as possible and let them flop down, okay? So you're just relaxing the shoulders, and then I want you to come up really tall and unfold that body, and make sure that you're not arching your back. So your back should stay nice and long, okay? Pelvis should be underneath you, and you're just gonna elongate the spine. Then you're gonna push yourself back again and curve your body over your hand. Breathe in, make sure you're totally relaxing the shoulders, and then you're gonna come up really tall. And you're gonna repeat this at least 3 to 5 times in a row, and try to do that at least 2 times a day, okay? So when you're sitting there at your desk, you can do this exercise. It's really simple. But I want you to know another thing about this. The reason that you don't want to tense your shoulders up is because what we're trying to do is we're trying to spread out the joints in your spine and your upper back, give them some breathing room so they can actually move, and then you want to pull them together. So when you can enhance your posture and make your spine nice and straight, it helps to take a lot of stress off the lower back, okay? So that's the exercise, a really quick one that you can do. Last thing that I want to tell you about this exercise is that you want to make sure that you're, trying to feel that spine move as much as possible. for the first month, you might not even feel a thing move because you're so used to tensing your shoulders forward, and that's totally normal. It actually took me a month to feel this exercise, okay? But once you've got it down, man, your low back is gonna feel like 1,000 times better. It's helped so many of my clients get better posture and alleviate low back pain, and it's just, so easy to do, which is the great thing about it. All right, well, this is Kristen signing off from KristenFitness.com. Definitely leave me a comment. Let me know how it worked for you because I'm very curious. I want to know, want to make sure that it's helping you out. All right, I will talk to you soon. Bye.